Niki and I just finished our beach frisbee tournament in LA, and we've now gotten on our Amtrak train from LA to Sacramento for me.
And for me, I'm heading all the way back to Seattle, and it's a 35-hour trip.
Hour zero of our 14 to 35 hour train trips. Hour 34. This is a preview of what's to come. But it's great. We've got snacks and we're ready to go.
Welcome to Amtrak.
Coffee, if you have that available.
Hi, what are we documenting that we never want to forget?
Niki and I have posted up an observation car because we get these great views. We're currently stopped at the Burbank station, so we are going to be working from here for the foreseeable future.
Folks, my name is Moses. I will be with you all the way to your final destination. Welcome you all aboard Amtrak's flagship passenger train, Coast Starlight. We will meet, you and I. I am your convenience store on wheels. The bar car. That's right. Some people call this the bar car because I serve beer. Get 2% milk. Sourced from the freshest grass-fed cows in Bolivia. So come on in.
Oh, look at all the cars.
Whoa.
That's LA for you. Look at that traffic.
For you. Thank you.
California, where do I start? Heavy breathing and heavy heart. I long to see you when the day is done. I wanna rest and lay in your sun.
Please turn it down. Please put your headphones on. You know who you are. I know who you are.
We've made it to Santa Barbara. We've started going by the ocean. It's so pretty. I think it's going really well. How long have we been traveling?
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Yeah, going by so fast.
Glad to have you with us. This is your attendant down in our cafe and lounge.
We should have lived a life together in your warm sun. We should have loved each other, baby. Oh, what could I have done? Just wanna spend some time together before everything's gone.
Anything your heart could possibly desire is for sale and available down in our cafe and lounge.
California, here I come. Every heartbeat just like a drum. I hear your rhythm, you feel so